Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to take higher resolution screenshots in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time, and you want to go ahead and left click on the settings icon on the left side that appears as a gear icon, and when you hover over it, it should say settings. Left click on that one time. Now on the settings window you see here, you want to go ahead and just left click on the system tile. And now left click on display on the left side. Now on the right side you want to scroll down until you get to advanced scaling settings. So just left click on that one time. You want to toggle where it says let Windows try to fix apps so they're not blurry. You want to toggle this to the on position. And then you also have the ability to enter a custom scaling size between 1 and 500% if you were to go a little bit further with it. However, most people that's unnecessary. So I would definitely suggest doing the first option there. And then we're just going to close out of here. Just keep in mind if you're going to be using a different program like GIMP or something along those lines, it's going to be different. So every third-party application would have different specifications and a walkthrough in itself on how to improve the resolution of screenshots. This is just purely if you're doing it within the Windows operating system environment. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.